Hi, everyone. Wherever you are in your day, let's take a quick moment to pause. Stay close to what God is showing you. In the Gospel of John, chapter 16, verses 12 through 15, Jesus tells his disciples, I have much more to tell you, but you cannot bear it now. I think that's such an honest moment. And for me, probably something that I struggle with the most. I want to know everything. I want to be able to focus on things that I can control and try and predict the path of how things are going to be laid out in my life. But obviously, that can't happen. This sentence, I have so much more to tell you, but you cannot bear it now, reminds us that growth happens gradually. Jesus doesn't overwhelm them with everything all at once. He's leading them step by step. And then he says the Spirit will guide them all into the truth. Not all at once, not instantly, not over time. I'm sorry, but over time. We are still in the Gospel according to John, like I said earlier, chapter 16, verses 12 through 15. And this is still the final discourse before Jesus is executed. Jesus said to his disciples, I have much more to tell you, but you cannot bear it now. When he comes, the Spirit of truth, he will guide you to all truth. He will not speak on his own, but he will speak what he hears and will declare to you the things that are coming. He will glorify me because he will take from what is mine and declare it to you. Everything that the Father has is mine. For this reason I told you that he will take from what is mine and declare it to you. I think this is important for us to remember too throughout the day and every day. We often want immediate clarity, immediate understanding, immediate answers. Things aren't always so black and white. Why did this happen? And it's not just a particular because A happened because of B. We want every answer right now. We want certainty about the future. We want to understand everything before we move forward. But that's not how God works. More often, it seems like He gives us just enough light for that next step, enough clarity to keep moving, enough to just stay grounded. And maybe that's the part of the spiritual growth, that learning not to rush beyond what God is showing you right now. Just stay in the present moment. I feel like I need that reminder so much sometimes, because sometimes we ask for answers when really all we need is trust. We keep searching for some new sign while ignoring what has already been made clear. That's why staying close to God matters the most, because the truth only changes when we continue to live with it, not just hearing it once, not just understanding it emotionally in that particular moment, but returning to it consistently. So maybe today is less about figuring everything out and paying more attention to what God might already be teaching you quietly. What truth keeps returning? What keeps resurfacing? What do you already know deep down and need to stay connected to? Because growth doesn't always happen through dramatic moments. It happens slowly by remaining faithful to what God has already placed in front of you, one step at a time, one moment at a time, one day at a time. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe so you can continue to hear God's whispers.